Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a full face using my old favorites. Some of these products I have used like recently, like just to retry them out or whatever. Most of these products I haven't used in a while or I just rarely use. And then a couple of these products I haven't used in like 3 years, and most of these are the like original ones, so they are a couple years old, but whatever, it's fine. I started off with a blank face, so it would be a mystery to the both of us, even though you could like see this thumbnail. But also, before we start, I'm trying to grow my eyebrows, so that's why they look awful, and I'm in a messy bun and a t-shirt, don't really care. We're gonna start with the eyeballs. First, I'm going to prime my under eyes / eyes with the e.l.f. Hydrating Under Eye Primer. I used to love this so much. It's like this pink kind of whatever, and it like actually does stick like anything to it. This would actually be probably like a good like glitter primer or like just a good base for your eyeshadow, because it literally like sticks anything to it and anything will last. So I used to honestly put this like on like all of my face just because it gets so tacky. But I haven't used it in so long, so hopefully this doesn't break me out. And I'm like breaking out here. First I'm going to prime my eyelids. I used to love the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer before I realized that it literally like oxidized on me and it got really dark. Like I realized it one day when I went outside and I looked in like the car mirror and I was like, this was like 2 or 3 years ago. Recently I picked up the lighter shade, the new lighter shade, and I was actually going to use it in my full face at first impressions. But I have a bunch of other concealers that I want to try out, so I'm just going to save those for that. We're going to see if this matches me and if I like it like I used to. I remember it did used to burn like when I put it on, but I feel like that's kind of with a few of my concealers now. So we will see. We will see if this oxidizes, if... Yeah, it's definitely burning my eyelid a little bit, like whenever you leave it on. I knew it wasn't full coverage. It's like light medium, because I can definitely still see my eyelids. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I used to love this stuff because I was like, this is the only powder that doesn't make my skin look dry, even though it literally has shimmer in it. And now that I'm like, more experienced in makeup, I'm like, wow, gross. No one wants shimmer in their powder unless it, is actually like not just shimmer, I ran out of it, and then I went like 3 months without it or something, and 3 months can be a lot in like makeup experience. I just feel like my eyelid is not getting set. I repurchased it, and that's when I realized that it had shimmer in it, and I'm just like, why did I do not want to put this on my face. It's literally like micro glitters. Like, can you see that? 2 palettes that I'm going to be using for this eye look are these 2. This is the Essence All About Sunrise eyeshadow palette, and this is where the highlighter started. This, like, obviously you can see it's hip pan, that's why I'm not swatching it that much, because it's beautiful and I haven't used it in so long because I don't want to use it because it's so gorgeous. These are like the most gorgeous buttery shimmery shades in here. This palette I used to use all the time. If you used to watch my channel when I first started, which I know wasn't that long ago, it was like not even a year ago, but I still count this because this was like my first colorful eyeshadow palette, and this was literally $1. This is the Kleancolor High Drama Matte Eyeshadow Palette. The e.l.f. Long Lasting Lustrous Eyeshadow in Toast used to be my jam. You see that? Jam on toast. See what I did there? For my transition, I literally don't have any matte shades here, so I'm going to do it with my bronzer. The Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Matte Bronzer. This is really the only thing that I could think of that was like an older favorite, because like I got this like sample like 3-4 years ago, and when I first got it I loved it, but I really don't use it anymore just because I really like... Oh, that smells so good. It literally smells like cocoa powder. And I'd love to do like a full face of neglected products once again. Tell me down below if you remember that video. Like if you were one of few people that watched that. I mean, you can go watch it if you want to. But be warned, I'm pretty sure I'm in my pink room. Go in with this dark brown. I'm not going to do too crazy of an eye look, even though I am doing my eyes first. But... that's just because I didn't know what I was doing. I did not expect my Freeman face mask video to get that many. Like, obviously, okay, that many is like 30 views. I'm talking about views, but, like, normally that videos only get like 16 or 17 views or whatever. But normally like some videos I expect to get less views, and like some videos I expect to get more views, and obviously the ones that I expect to get more, like my icy blue cut crease, I thought I'd get way more. It just posted yesterday, but I was kind of surprised that there's literally only like 8 views right now. But my Rimmel mask video already had like 34, which it's been like 4 or 5 days, but still, I'm just like, what? That was kind of a random rant, but whatever, it's fine. I'm gonna go in with this shade and then maybe like that bronzy shade beside it, just kind of like I've never really, you know, used the other shades on my eyes before because I used to be too scared to use these. I know, like, how am I scared of neutrals? But I was, because they're like super shimmery. I'm still currently editing my How to Worship God daily video. I hope y'all like it. Even if I reach one person through that video, that's all that matters. If you have any questions about the video, leave them down below. DM me personally, whatever you need to do. I'll try and answer them to the best of my ability. I'm gonna go in with the Lustrous eyeshadow and Toast. I wish they'd make like brighter shades of these. Like they have like a pink, and that's pretty much it. But it's not even a bright pink, it's a pretty wearable pink. I'm gonna take that yellow gold. Oh, and put it on top of that. I literally feel like a sunflower. Alright, I'm gonna do my mascara now just because I feel like this could get gross and messy. I used to use the e.l.f. mascara primer, and this is like 2 years old, so it might not even work. I know, it's not safe. Come at me in the comments, whatever. But it definitely works better if you let it dry. I feel like I need a primer with this mascara that I'm gonna use because this was my favorite before Maybelline Lash Sensational, which technically Maybelline Lash Sensational is a really old favorite just because I've loved that for like 3 years or so. This is where I get a little embarrassed because I'm so annoying. Like when I look back at old videos, like obviously before I used to post them like forever ago, I'd be like, I don't even get why people spend more than $1 on mascara. Cringe. And this is like, I mean, I'm opening it out of the package, so like it's not like bad, I guess, but it's probably bad because it's like 4 years old. What in the world? Why is this not twisting off? Oh, what just came out? It was dried mascara. This is completely dry. Well, I tried. I was gonna go with like L'Oreal Luminous, but I really didn't get that until after like I had already discovered Lash Sensational. But I got this Urban Decay Perversion mascara for like a birthday gift like forever ago, and I know this is expired. It's fine, but at least this isn't completely dry. This is my old favorite also, Rimmel Scandalized. This is so hard. Oh, my eyelashes are all like clumpy. And I thought the mascara was gonna mess up this little girl. Gross. And now for the face. I'm just ready for something that I like, and I know that I like this. It's the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Illuminate. I really need to get another one of these because I'm pretty sure I'm like almost out. This was like one of the first like actual primers that I liked, and I remember I got it because of that Taylor, and she was like, I want this in a hand lotion or something. I don't even remember, but I just know that I used to love this primer, and I would wear it with and without makeup, and it's so gorgeous, and that's why I ended up getting Blur and Smooth, and now that's like one of my favorite everyday primers. For foundation, I used this to cut my crease in the last video. It's the Covergirl Outlast Stay Luminous foundation and Natural Glow foundation, and I got this because everyone was saying they loved the what was it, like the AI Stay Outlast or something? I don't even know. But they were saying how they loved that, and I was like, well, a lot of people saying that they have like oily skin. So then I was like, oh, they came out with this one, so why not try this one since I have dry skin? And I think I actually liked it in the beginning. I don't remember, like I haven't used this on my face in forever. Like I've only used it to like cut the crease. This was one of the first foundations that actually matched me kind of well. This foundation has shimmer all throughout it. I'm just gonna have a super shimmery face because I'm gonna have a shimmery primer, a shimmery foundation, and a shimmery powder. And this foundation isn't like showing my pores like awful or anything. And I'm not like, you know, ew, this is the worst thing ever, but I'm not like, yeehaw, you know. We're gonna see how this Maybelline Fit Me concealer works. We're gonna see if it oxidizes, so I'm gonna swatch a little bit on the back of my hand right here and we'll see. Ooh, it's burning. Yeah, this is definitely burning. Now into the awful powder. Now, this one I won't pack on like I did in my neglected products video. I'm pretty sure I packed it on. And that's why it looks so cakey. But I also think I packed it on because it didn't feel like it was doing anything. So I'm going to just blend it out and then pat it on. I'm probably not even going to notice how shimmery this is just because I do have so much shimmer on my face. It's like literally not setting it. I'm going to go in with bronzer, Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, as I said before. I'm thinking about doing like a full face makeup that I hate video because I just want to. For blush, this is really the oldest thing that I could think of, and I mean, I've used it before on my channel. It's the Essence Blush Up Powder Blush. I just thought I should do blush, even though, you know, whatever, it's fine. This is the Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick and Radiant. I just mixed like the first two. I haven't used this in so long. I actually think I used this in my neglected makeup. Is this too dark? Lighten it up a bit. We're gonna go in with the shade. So, ready? We're just gonna have plenty of highlighter on my face. I wonder if they still have this. Now back to the lower lash line. I'm just gonna go straight in with this color. This is crazy. I mean, it's because of the powder, because most of the time my concealers will be fixed whenever I set it with a powder. Like, I don't have to worry about it creasing. I think I want to do pink on the lips, so maybe I feel like this color would be really pretty with it, but at the same time I keep doing blue, so maybe I should do that pink. I feel like this one would go a lot more with a pink lip. Sorry guys, keep doing stinking green and blue on my channel. Whatever, it's fine. I don't really care. Okay, so just do that from inner to outer corner, and then I just take it on the outer corner and go like in a wing shape so you can kind of see that color up there a little. I just really like that technique. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. I'm liking this. So hopefully this doesn't ruin it. I really want to try. Did that mess it up? I feel like it looks a lot better this way. We're gonna go in on the inner corner with that real pretty shade. This is what I used to do for my brows, was just use this stuff, and yeah, so wet gloss lash and brow clear mascara. Hopefully this is gonna like take some makeup out and give me some color. I haven't had like actually like shaped brows in a video in a while. Oh, that's so sweet. I DM'd Nicole Renee Cutler and I asked her if I could recreate. Oh my goodness, I feel like my face got red. I DM'd Nicole Renee Cutler. Oh my goodness, no, I can't talk. Oh my goodness. I know like everyone's doing, I tried to follow blah blah's makeup tutorial, but honestly I just really want to recreate this tutorial because I just love this tutorial, and I actually have a lot of the products. It's her liquid rose gold. I didn't even say what she responded. That's why I got so excited. Now my mascara's trying. She said, OMG, yes, send me the link once you do. Now we're done with the base eyes. Elf makeup mist and set used to be my favorite. Like, oh my goodness, this is my jam. We're gonna actually go far away. These used to be my favorite, and these are the Rimmel London Provocalips, and this is in the shade I'll Call You, which I love this shade so much, but I really never use it anymore. And I started like with the red shade, you know, and I just loved it because like I used it for like a competition, which shows you how long ago it was. It wore throughout the day so well. And like everyone was asking me what I was wearing. It was on from like 6 a.m. to like 8 p.m. and it still looked like really good. I really never saw these get a lot of hype. Everyone, like, if they tried them, they would stop them because they'd be like, oh, they're too sticky. Well, you have to put this stuff on top or it will be sticky. Put some on the back of my hand, like the lip topper stuff. And then I'm gonna pat it on my lips just because it won't transfer. Like, this definitely still doesn't transfer. Even if you don't put the top coat on, it's just gonna be uncomfortable because it's super sticky. Oh, I love this lip color so much. Oh, I want to see how much this oxidized. I definitely did oxidize like a shade or get darker. Apparently there's a difference. This is the finished look. I really love how this turned out. Like, I really love this eye look. I know my brows are a hot mess, but it's fine. The face makeup isn't the best, but it isn't the worst. I had so much fun filming this video. I really liked everything in this video. There's nothing that I like really hated besides I really don't like all the shimmer in this powder. It's not bothering me as bad as I thought it would. If you make this video, link it down below because I'd love to see like how you react to like your old favorites. I've seen this video going around. I didn't create it. I don't know who did. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave any video recommendations down below. I know I always say that so fast and then I have to re-say it like 7,000 times. Video recommendations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Whoop, whoop, whoop. No. Oh, I literally just got that on my contact. Crickety crickets.